my menu was super duper long. I would constantly get messages, emails, calls. I find that a little shady. Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about fixed price menus. When I started lashing about 5 years ago here in my studio, I had a full menu where my clients could choose from classic, volume, hybrid, and I had different prices for all of them, also for touch-ups, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So my menu was super duper long with all those different prices. I then switched over about 4 years ago to a fixed price. So all my full sets are one price, all my touch-ups are one price. And now I have, of course, added my permanent jewelry on that menu, but it's super easy and short for my clients to be able to book. If you are interested in switching from a full menu to a fixed price, keep watching because I'm going to share with you guys all the pros I have seen from switching from a full menu to a fixed price menu. One of the biggest pros I noticed when switching from a full menu to a fixed price is the calls, texts, emails stopped. My clients were not wondering what they wanted to book and they would just book a full set. Nowadays, there is so many lash artists on there with a huge menu, and some of them include the angel set, the wet lash look, the wispy look. And if you don't have that on your menu and your client, potential client, has seen that look and they want that look, they're gonna call you and ask you what they need to book. So if you're a solo lash artist, you don't really have time to go back and forth with clients on what they should book. When they come in, you can just do a consultation to figure out what style, what length, curl your client wants. Even when you do have a full menu, you should still be doing a consultation with your client. So versus wasting all that additional time replying, figuring out what look they want, they already know what they're gonna pay. They come in and you both figure out as the artist and as the client what they want and what you can achieve with their natural lashes. The first pro was for the artist. The second pro that I'm going to talk to you guys about is for the client. The client is going to know exactly what they're going to be paying when they come in for their service. A lot of nail techs do this. You go and get a full set and then you want a French tip, it's an additional $5. You want rhinestones, an additional $5 per nail. So with lashes, some people say having a full menu is better because you can upcharge your client. I find that a little shady and it's just not the best for me. If it's for you, that's totally fine. But I feel like as a service provider, I want my clients to feel comfortable and know what they're going to pay up front. So that's a pro for your clients, them not wanting a mega volume but booking a classic on your website, coming in and telling you, hey, I want a mega volume set. And you're like, girl, you booked a classic that is $100. I only have an hour to do this classic set and you want a mega volume. What are you gonna do then? Are you gonna turn your client away? You're gonna lose those $100. You're going to book them in the future. They're probably gonna be upset because they expected those lashes that day. So it's a lot of confusion on your client's part sometimes and on you. So pro is your clients knowing what they're gonna pay before they even come. Let's bring the pros back to the lash artist, the pros. Another big one is knowing how much you're going to make the day you lash, the week, and even the month when you are fully booked. It doesn't really fluctuate as much as if you had a full menu. So if you have a full menu and you are doing mega this week, it's gonna be a lot more revenue coming in than the following week that you're going to just have classic booked. It's gonna be way less because most likely classics are you're charging less for classics than mega volume. So that is a huge con to having a full menu, is like your income, your revenue coming in is going to fluctuate so much. So even if you're like, well, in a full month, it's gonna even itself out. No, if you do a full month of pure classics and then the next month you're doing pure mega, you're gonna see that revenue very, very different. So definitely having a fixed price is the way to go. I'm very biased at this. I was talking to my social media manager trying to find a con to having a fixed menu. And again, I'm biased. I couldn't find one. We were throwing a lot of ideas out there and I was like, no, that's actually a pro. That's a pro. That's a pro. So having a fixed menu, again, as a solo lash artist, has helped my business grow so much. If you are a salon owner, maybe having a full menu works better for you. But for me, it's worked amazingly. I've seen my clients just book. Again, not a lot of people reaching out wondering what to book. All my clients are super happy with their results. So I love having a fixed menu. Let me know in the comments down below what you prefer, if you prefer having a fixed menu or if you have a full menu. And if you have a full menu, I want to know creative names that you have in your full menu, because when I had a full menu, I had some crazy names like Egyptian princess, this butterfly flutter. I had some crazy names. Okay, so let me know down in the comments below. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves.